Hi, what's up, Gala coin holder? What's going on? Today video is very important, my friends, for Gala coin holder because Gala coin will completely on the trending and the price is increasing. So therefore, I am so happy because my brother, you can see this is the highest price, so 0.1092 USD dollar, and this is the lowest 0.09. Definitely there is not a big difference, my friend, in these both prices, and I hope, my friends, they will more increasing, the price will more increasing if a holder are starting holding. And this time you can see here the price is increasing 0.106. So congratulations to, they will hit now 0.1 USD dollar, and 4.04% they will get just in only in last 24 hours. Definitely that's mean, my friend, to the price will hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. The market cap, you can see here 4.04% increase, fully diluted market cap 4.04% increase. Volume of last 24 hours, oh my goodness, 19.96% decrease. Now very bad news. Volume market cap, you can see here 0.4279, and circulating supply is 6.98 billion. So my friend, that's mean, my friends, to everything is going to be right now without, my friend, without people are starting, my friend, holding, without people are starting investing, because they are collaborate with a lot of companies. In those days, remember, to especially short-term investor are starting selling, so therefore they were fails down. Remember, my brothers, to in this time, as you can see here, this chart is very important, my friend. You can see here this chart is clearly tell you, my friends, to the red line. You can see the red line is show you to this core. This time they were in the loss. This is because this is the resistance line. But if you can see, my friend, the green line is clearly told you, my friends, to the price will increasing and they will give you a profit. So definitely if they were fails down like that, so that's a very bad news. But absolutely in upcoming time they will moving upward, so that's a very good time, my friend, for all of you now. And I hope, my friend, the price will more increase now. So that's all credit goes to holder. If a holder, remember, my brothers, to especially short-term investor, all credit goes to short-term investor, my friends. Sometimes they were starting selling, so definitely the price for fails down and they cannot get a profit. So I just request for all of you, my brothers, to, if you want to get a profit now, hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Gala coin holder. But kindly, if you want to get a profit now, just and only follow my advice. I am 100% sure they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.